This is a sponsored video for this alarm meat thermometer, so let's go ahead and see what's in here. We have the probe, and this is a very long cord, as you can see. We have the charging cable, and this is a Type-C charging cable, it looks like. We have the instruction manual, and here is the thermometer. So this has the instructions on how to get this turned on right here. So the cable is 40 inches long. So a cool thing about this, it comes with the little sheath or sleeve, and then it has a clip here so you can clip it onto like a pocket or your pants and then have this ready to go to check your meat or whatever you're cooking later. So really easy to turn this on. You just short press right here in the center, and you can press this button here to switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Goes back and forth. And then here we have the hold set button. So I have a roast in my slow cooker here, so I want to use the probe and of course leave this outside of the slow cooker. So we take this end, we have a little area back here, that's where the charger goes, and that's where this goes as well. Plug that in, take the probe, and we can place that into our roast. Remove your little protective tip here. We're going to go ahead and place this in our roast. Shove that on in, and then we can see how our roast is cooking from the outside of our oven or slow cooker, whatever we are using. So here you can see the temperature, 195.8 degrees. That is so cool. So you can just leave it out here, monitor it along to know just where your meat is at. And I wanted to show how this works for charging. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and you can see it is lit red when it is charging. So I think this one is pretty much charged, and here you can see the recommended internal temperatures too, right on the back of the thermometer. That is really cool and handy. Now let's go ahead and check the temperature of our meat with just this without the extender. So there you can see it kept rising, and it's 190.9 degrees. So our pork roast is definitely done. And this is IPX67 waterproof when it comes time to rinse off your probe, and then you're good to go for next time.